بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Dear students, Assalamu alaikum and good morning to all of you. I hope you all are fine and enjoying Google Classroom for learning new things. Kindly be more punctual and vigilant in doing assigned work. Keep a pen in your hand to note down the important points while watching video because you have to solve quiz and questions at the end. If you find anything difficult, feel free to ask. Let us have a short overview of previous lesson. 1. Kazakhstan is the most important coal producer. 2. 10th highest in the world. 3. In Pakistan, Thar has high-quality coal field. 4. Minerals are defined as solid, inorganic, naturally occurring substances with a definite chemical formula and general structure. 5. The name copper comes from Cyprus. 6. Indonesia is the world's third largest producer of copper. 7. It is good conductor of heat and electricity. Dear students, the topic for today is minerals and natural resources of Muslim world. In this topic, you are going to learn about the lead, zinc, and nickel. We have already learned that minerals are defined as solid, inorganic, naturally occurring substances with a definite chemical formula and general structure. Dear student, lead is a metal that, today, is used primarily in vehicle batteries. Before its hazards were well understood, it was used in leaded gasoline, lead-based paint, in the solder used to seal food cans, in water pipes, in sinkers, and in ammunition. Lead, one of the earliest metals, but not very useful in antiquity as it is far too soft. It was sometimes used in water pipes as it could be hammered into long, flat sheets and then these were bent round a pole and seemed to make them watertight. Of more importance in the past was that gold and silver were minerals and natural resources of the Muslim world often found amalgamated with lead, and had to be extracted. Today lead is widely used as a base for paints and for covering electric cables. It is a vital ingredient for car batteries. Dear students, the next mineral that we have to discuss is zinc. 1. Zinc is a metal which is used to plate other metals to save them from rust. 2. Kazakhstan ranks 9th in the world for zinc production. 3. Zinc is a metal which is used to plate, very thinly, sheets of corrugated iron or steel which are often used as a cheap form of roofing. Zinc will not rust and thus prevents the iron underneath it from doing so. Zinc is a late discovery. Today it is used for batteries. The ordinary cell batteries in torches usually have a zinc case. Perhaps a discarded cell can be dismantled to show their zinc casing. Zinc is used mainly for weatherproofing as it does not rust. Zinc ointment, a white antiseptic ointment, is one of the commonest items in domestic medicine boxes. Zinc is also used in the production of car tires and television tubes. Zinc is also used in alloys such as brass, nickel, silver and aluminium solder. Zinc oxide is widely used in the manufacture of very many products such as paints, rubber, cosmetics, pharmaceuticals, plastics, inks, soaps, batteries, textiles and electrical equipment. Dear students, the next mineral we are going to study is nickel. 1. Nickel is a chemical element with the symbol Ni. It is a silvery white lustrous metal with a slight golden tinge. 2. Indonesia is the 4th largest producer of nickel in the world. Apart from the waterproofing skin on steel in bicycles, etc., nickel is an essential ingredient in making some kinds of steel where a very hard metal is needed, for example, in car engines and in armor plating for tanks. Dear students, following are the major uses of nickel. 1. It is used to make silver coins. 2. Zinc coat is used to save metals from rusting. 3. It is used to make metal surface shiny. Dear students, you have to solve the given worksheet and short question on your neat notebook. Question. Write some of the main uses of lead. If you find anything difficult in today's lesson, feel free to ask. Thanks.